blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Oh, sino Deta?
Kita.
Ano Deta? Ay. Up here. Atak, sabi ko, hindi up here. Juni. Ala, sina?
Hindi ikaw.
Sina?
Si...
Hi. Up
Si
here.
Dito likod niya. Cellphone mo.
Ito?
Oo.
Boyfriend ko.
Anong boyfriend?
Boyfriend ko.
Tinidyan pat ate.
Apa?
Kapag may nakita siyang mga butas, ginagano niya. Tapos, kunahan na.
Hi.
Hi.
Sina? Smile.
Pagod.
She doesn't like me.
Wait.
Bakit?
Hello guys, welcome my...
Keeping it coming, keeping it coming. I should put some ice on my back. Don't care about no price for my bad.
Gusto mo akong kausapin, diba? Kung hindi mag-usap tayo, wala na. Alas kasi na. First time, kasi...
Oh, yeah, no.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads.
Iniwan ako dito.
What if this breaks your little heart in mine? Where should we go tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. from another lover.
You better pay me for this.
Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Yeah, pretty blue jeans and me. Yeah, she's what I need.
Hi guys, so I know it's so dark and you can't see me, which is not important right now, but it is in the middle of the night and I've been reading this webtoon that I found out recently. I found that out on like a webtoon group that I was in, so I started reading it and it was so beautiful because I like, you know, mysteries and, you know, fantasy shit and like drama, you know. And so it's so cute. Like I can't. Now my standards are so up high because the main character, Jesse is a boy, is a man, you know, and Hella is the leading woman, right? They're so cute. I wish I could have a man like that. Anyways, I don't know till when am I not gonna sleep. I don't know. I just had to share this piece of information.
Hey y'all. Oh god. Oh my god, did my voice get down a few octaves? I currently don't know what state I am, because I am fine. I have no fever. But for some reason, for the past few days, I've been coughing very, very hard and painfully, I guess, because as of now, I can't really talk right now, but since this is a vlog, I have to. That's why my voice is I'm not talking in a very loud voice because I cannot let out a lot of air, since I can't take in a lot of air because something's going on my chest. I don't know what it is. That's why I've been very, very silent throughout this whole day. And yesterday I've been taking medicine. Last night I took 2 Panadol, so that helped with like stopping me from coughing during my sleep, so I can sleep very well. So it did that, but I was woken up so early. They didn't know that I struggled sleeping last night, so they just decided to wake me up early. I'm not sick apparently, but my eyes are watery for some reason, and if you don't know, that's a sign, you know, I'm possibly getting sick, or at least I have something wrong with my sinuses. And yeah, I do sort of have phlegm, but for some reason it's so hard to take it out. I mean, I don't even feel if it's in there. It's just when I cough, it's dry cough, so it's hard on the throat as well as in my chest, so everything connects, right? So I'm sort of sick. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm sort of sick. I took a rest for the day because I can't really breathe in air, so I just stayed inside.
Now just trying on my uniform, and I was a little bit confused what happened to my body. Came because the last time that I wore it, it was very, very tight, really tight, but now it's not. It's a little bit loose than, you know, the last time that I wore it. The only one tight part here is my boobs. However, in the, what they call this, in the skirt, it feels like how I wore it before. But I can't even comprehend this right now. Did I lose weight? No, I didn't. I didn't lose weight. In fact, I gained weight. Whatever. Well, yeah. So that's it.
Lutuin natin. Oh yeah? Di oil. Stretch. Stretch!
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true.
Too much?
'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always seems to make my day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what.
Another lie, I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you're the one that got away, that got away. I was dreaming you were my Johnny Cash, never one we got the other, we made a cut. Sometimes when I miss you, I put those records on. Whoa. Someone said you had your tattoo removed, saw you downtown singing the blues. It's time to face the music, I'm no longer your muse. In another life, I will be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. And in another life, I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you're the one that got away, the one that got away, the one, the one that got away. All this money can't buy me a time machine. No.
Kaya na, malastan. Dilagan. Makikita lahat. Hi, tita. One, two, three. Happy.
Nala ng 350. Oo pa nala ni Cuerte.
You said I tend to second guess myself like too much.